Okay, we're going over the quiz that we just did in class. Please do not watch this until you have taken the quiz. So, our two quiz questions. Was it 549 divided by 5, guys? Okay, 549 divided by 5. You had multiple ways that you could have done this. Let me see if I can flip. Yes. Somebody? I'm listening. All right. You can use whatever algorithm tickles your fancy on this. I don't care. Get the right answer. That's what I care about. We'll do standard algorithm first as an example, okay? 5. We'll go into 5. How many times, Rachel? Why did I do that again? Why do I do that? I was staring right at you. You should have known that I meant you. I meant Jessie. There's something wrong with me. 1, yes, for everybody. Yep. Okay, 1. That's step 1, divide. Step 2 is, everybody say it. That was pathetic. Step 2 is about 9 notches down, but love the enthusiasm, but that was a bit much. Okay, 1, shh. Just find a spot, baby. Where's your computer? Okay, just find a spot. Okay, 1 times 5 is, okay, that's our multiply. What's our next step? Tell me. Subtract. I'm going to subtract 5 minus 5 is, every eyeball should be up here. So if you're in here, both of your eyeballs have to be up here. Both of them. I see some of you with one eye this way and one looking over there. Both eyeballs have to be. Okay, we did subtract. Now, what is our next step? Bring down. We're going to bring down this 4. Hey, will 5 go into 4? So it'll go how many times? 0 times. We're going to stick that 0 up here. Okay? What's my next step? Quincy? We just divided. We just divided. Multiply. What's my multiplication problem? Baby, some of you, the ones of you that made a 0 on this are not even looking at me. I don't even know where you're at. Please, please, pay attention. Sorry, baby, what's our math problem? Go ahead. What are we multiplying? It's not 10, because in standard algorithm, we just do the number that we just stuck up there. So 0 times 5 is, okay? Next step, guys, everybody tell me. Thank you. I should hear every voice, but nobody should yell. Let's do it that way, okay? Okay, so if we subtract 4 minus 0 is? Thank you. Next step. Bring down to 9. That's the next one waiting, right? Okay, next step. Jimmy. We just did that. Keep up, man. Divide. Very good job. We're going to put 5 into 49. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. We can't go any higher. 9. Yep. So we're going to put our 9 up here. What's our next step, Carson? Well, we divided 5 into 49. What's next? I've put him on the spot. He knows how to do this, but I'm panicked him out. After divide. Yes, we multiply. What am I multiplying together, Carson? Yep, 9 times 5 is 45. Next step, Skylar. Ooh. Yep. Okay, 49 minus 45 is 4. What's my next step? Nothing. That's right. There's nothing to bring down. I cannot put 5 into 4, so I'm finished. My quotient is 109. My remainder is 4. Actually, I should check it. You're exactly right. But first, we're going to do the other method because I saw a lot of you using that method instead, which is perfectly fine. You can choose. From this point on, you get to choose. So, 5 into 549 using the partial quotients method. We did 5 into 500. That's what I saw most of you do. Houston, how many times will 5 go into 500? 100 times, right? So, we're going to put our 100 up here as a partial quotient. And then what do we do? Dalton, what do I do next? We're not even using the standard algorithm anymore, baby. Y'all please look up here, please pay attention, okay? We're going to multiply this 100 times 5, and what do we get?
500.
500. What do I do now? I subtract, and I'm going to get 49. Is this looking similar? We've got kind of this, like, because we wound up with a 49 here, right? So you can see how they're kind of working in the same way. So now we put 5 into 49. We already know how much is it? 9. So that's another partial quotient. 9 times 5 is 45. I subtract and I get, okay, what do I do to these two partial quotients? Add them together. So I have 109 with a remainder of 4. And now you are exactly right. We should check these. So let's do that right here. We're going to do 109 times 5. Who just yawned in my classroom? I'm sorry. Is my awesomeness boring you?
I'm probably just tired from the thunderstorm last night. Which was my snoring.
All right. 100, 0, and 9. 5 times 100. 5 times 0. 5 times 9. 45. 4, 5, 45. And then I add my remainder, which was 4. 5, 49. So we know we got it right because we wound up with the same. What is this? Dividend. Yes, dividend is a big word. Divisor is a little bit smaller. That's the smaller one. Peace.